You're watching New York One News all morning. This is the New York Living Health and Fitness Report.
For a celebrity like the Giants' Michael Strahan or Madonna, a tooth gap can be a trademark, but for most adults it can be a confidence buster. As New York One Health reporter Kaveh Drexel explains, more people are now fixing their smile without braces.
49-year-old Gracelyn Harris says she has spent most of her life barely cracking a smile.
I never had a full smile because I was very conscious of somebody looking. Every time somebody looked at me, I felt that it was looking at my teeth.
What Harris was trying to cover up were some major gaps in her smile. But after visiting cosmetic dentist Dr. Michael Galili, a clinical professor at NYU Dental School, Harris says she can't stop smiling after going from this to this. Harris got fast results after an approach Galili is now calling Forget the Braces Dentistry. With more than 1 million adults in need of braces, more like Harris are choosing the cosmetic route over orthodontics for straightening. The solution? Porcelain veneers. Often used to change the color of teeth, more and more they're being used to achieve orthodontic results. Galili has been training more of his students to add the approach as a specialty.
How it works is that we grind the teeth depending on how much room we need, probably from half a millimeter to maybe 0.75 millimeter, and replace the grinded portion of the teeth with porcelain laminate and shape them in a way that we want to close the gaps or diastemas or change the bite of the patient if it's necessary.
Harris says for her, veneers were the obvious choice over braces, which she would have had to wear for 2 to 3 years, then wear a retainer for years to follow as an adult. But with veneers, results were accomplished in just 2 3-hour visits.
While getting veneers can shave years of time off of straightening your teeth, one thing Dr. Galili makes clear is the procedure is not a replacement for orthodontics.
We don't change the position of the teeth. Position of the teeth can only be changed through orthodontic. What we do, we tilt the teeth and we shape them differently.
The approach can only be used in adults because younger teeth are still developing. Galili says veneers are a more expensive option, but may be worth it for adults who can't afford time and braces. After her quick fix, Harris says she can't believe she hid her smile for so long.
Since I had my veneers, I started to wear different color lipstick because I want everybody to look at my smile. It makes me feel real good.
In Manhattan, Kaveh Drexel, New York One.